grade 9 Bridal School. My campaign name is Bhooke Kaisa, a step towards hunger elimination. Actually, what leadership means to me, it's an art of motivating people and building confidence. It's a research area. It's about inspiring other people. Then these were some of the virtual challenges which I have done. Then my vein of achievement was the power of my vein was passion, self-belief, hard work and concentration. This is my vision board. These are some of the skills required for the for IAS officer, that is critical thinking, communication skill, positive attitude and work ethic. This is a story which I have narrated. These are the main characters of my story, that was rabbit, tortoise and a river. Resources which I utilized for that was clay, pencil, drawing paper, color. Then these were some of the tasks which I did in kitchen, and here are the images of that. Now let's make world a better place. Here I chose, there were many topics to select because there are many problems going on in the world. But I chose hunger because when there will be zero hunger, there will be no person lacking of nutrition. He will be healthy as well as he will be strong to do the work. For each and everything, nowadays we need energy. Without energy, we cannot do anything. So here, hunger of the world is about 926 million people are suffering from hunger, and the cycle of hunger starts from pregnant women. Pregnant woman, because when a pregnant woman does not get enough food to eat, which is not well nutrition, the child born to her is also not well nutrition. Then in youth age, he have chronic diseases and severe problems. Then when he become adult, he get married and her wife, and this cycle continues as it is. So when I was doing project, I came across many people dealing with hunger, but then I tried my best to eliminate their hunger, and it came out successfully. Firstly, I made food packet for small children as well as women's. From that 350 people were helped. I made 350 food packets. Then I donated 5,000 rupees in a charitable trust where they provide food to poor people. From that, approximately 200 people were fed, and I was able to collect this donation from 85 people. And only these three steps helped 550 people of my city. Now what I did for the section plan was creating awareness. I went each and everyone's house and gave information about my project, because I cannot conduct a meeting because due to this pandemic, and all were not having facilities for that, so I cannot conduct it virtually also. And to poor people, I didn't take this action, but I would have done if I had that opportunity. That I would have given them job offers by visiting slum areas, and for that I have to utilize my money and a proper place for their work. Then what actions I took by creating awareness was, firstly I did research using laptop. I went to my neighbor's house and explained them about my social action plan, and this I did due to this pandemic. I visited each and everyone's house, and I explained them through some collected data which I gathered from internet, and I collected donations through phone calls and visiting neighbors. Overall details are the rich. Rich is my 635 people. That is 550 were helped and 85 people helped me by giving the donation. The number of days I spent is 7 days 10 hours, and amount I spent is 20,000 rupees. Challenges which I faced the most was convincing people for donation, because nowadays they don't trust anybody like this, that yes, she or he is doing the right thing, let's give. Then time management. Managing time was also an issue, because I had to manage my school, institute, and as well as this project also. And in all the three sectors, I had to give my best. So that was also a big problem. And the challenges which I have faced was encouraging poor people to work, because if they don't work, they won't earn money. If they won't earn money, they would not be able to eat a nice, well nutrition food. Then overall learnings which I learned during this journey was doing a small thing also needs much attention. Like this you have saw ahead that I just took 3 steps, but these 3 steps also need so much of attention, that is why nothing is small. Then managing things, that's what I also mentioned above, that managing things was also an issue. Then thinking about in this I learned from the kitchen task which I did, that we just don't have to think about ourselves. We also have to think about the people who are eating with us, because by keeping in mind their taste, we have to cook food. So this was also learning. And skill which I utilized was patience, because patience is most, hard work, communication skills, confidence, and positive attitude, because positive attitude is must. If we think positive, then it results successful. If we think negative and negative, it never leads to success. Then I would like to describe my journey in Lee. It taught me various things and helped me to build a new personality. It also influenced me to do something. That it influenced me that yes, you can, then why not? Then while I was on journey of lead, I came to know various skills which I was having, but I never used it, or I never knew about it. So it also helped me to build various new skills, as well as it also showed me that I have many skills. Then it also taught me, when there is teamwork, nothing is impossible. Each and every task which we do, if there is teamwork, it becomes very easy, and it always results in a good way. Thank you.